Are you losing sleep over drawing views? Are your customers having trouble visualizing your 2D? Are you having your kids do your renderings with crayons? Well, then I've got the solution for you. Inventor LT. Experience the power of 3D today. Do you have 2D files that you want to turn into 3D parts? Well, then Inventor LT is a solution for you. Watch how I use Inventor LT's copy and paste functionality to turn this 2D sketch into a 3D component. That's right, copy and paste. Think about how much time this is going to save you. You don't have to redraw something, you just reuse it. Now that I have the sketch in here, I can use Inventor LT's Revolve tool to turn this 2D sketch into a 3D part right in front of your eyes. Let's go back in and select some more geometry to finish off this part. Once again, I'm going to select the geometry I want to reuse, take that copy, and then paste, that's right, paste functionality to reuse this sketch from my 2D model and turn it into my 3D component. Again, I'm going to come in, use another 3D tool to make my cuts, and watch how quickly and easily I've turned this 2D sketch into a 3D model. Extrusions, revolves, holes, fillets, and rounds, we've got them all. Now, what's that you say? You have another part that you want to make some drawings off of? Use Inventor's DWG file format to make your base view and then quickly do some projected views off of it. Now, if you want that one to be rendered, simply come in, add a shade, and bam, you have a rendered part. Come in, add some dimensions, and finish off your drawing. Now, let's put the crafting back into drafting, people. What's that you say? You have other 3D part files that you need to open? Pro E, CATIA, SolidWorks, Inventor LT can open them all. If you need to make changes to a part that somebody has sent you, start off by using Inventor LT's feature recognition tool to recognize geometry that was created with another package. Well, what does that let you do, you say? Well, you can actually come back in and make changes to that geometry. Watch how I edit this sketch by adding the dimension to it and then changing that dimension. That's right, I'm making a change to another 3D CAD file. Watch how that hole quickly updates. But that's not all. I can actually add and remove geometry from this component as well. Watch how I come in and add a new sketch. Once the sketch is completed, I can actually use Inventor LT's powerful extrusion tool to make a cut into this part file. Wow, that was amazing. Let's see it again in slow-mo while I do a play-by-play. I'm coming in, using the extrusion tool, selecting my geometry. I'm going to turn this from an extruded to a cut feature, and then I'm going to add my dimension. It's really that easy, people. Now, what's that you say? You want to go back and you want to get rid of those crayons? We'll go into Inventor LT's Inventor Studio and turn this 3D component into a nice rendered 3D component. Make changes to the cameras, make changes to the features, make changes to the materials. You can do all inside of Inventor Studio. Watch how I have a final rendered product going from my 3D part model to a nice rendered 3D part model. Let's turn your Inventor LT model into America's Next Top Model. If you don't believe me, let's ask somebody else.
With 2D drafting, my life was boring. Now with Inventor LT, everybody else wants to be me.
Autodesk Inventor LT, automatic DWG drawing views, 3D modeling, AEC exchange tool, DWG publishing, rendering, auto translators, feature recognitions, and so much more. Here's how to order. Dial the number you see on your screen or visit our website. Call in the next 20 minutes, get this free picture of my dog.